What's up, everybody? It's Chase and J Miles, and I'm here at investment house number 2. Gonna show y'all some updates, what's been done, and give you a good look at things. It's really coming along, so come on. All right, so we are here. Lots has been done, and hopefully we will be finished very soon, but I want to show you what has taken place. As you all know, everything is wide open, the walls, all that kind of stuff. What I'm really excited about is this installation we did on this wall to give it a little dimension and make it look kind of cool. So added that in there, and then this fireplace. It's a big focal piece, and it looked very bad before it was all closed off, but I wanted to make sure that entertainment wise everything could still flow very nicely. This used to be 2 separate living rooms. Here we are in the kitchen. Butcher block countertops, very nice cabinets, and I love this sink. I wanted like a big kind of statement sink, so the stainless steel oversized sink along with the rest of the stainless steel appliances. So the stove here in the middle with the vent hood, again, the thought was to have it more open and inviting, especially for entertaining, all that good stuff. So right behind me off the kitchen is the formal dining room. You can kind of make it, or that can be your eat-in kitchen, and this can be your formal dining room. So the buyer of this home will have the option. Here we will have the refrigerator, and then this will be like a coffee bar area, which is really neat. Got the pantry area right here. This kitchen has a lot of storage. In addition to that, we're putting up the butcher block type of countertops up here. So y'all know those counters that everybody's doing. So we're putting those up. Over here, I can't show you this because this floor just got done. It's about to be grouted, but you can kind of see the tile down there. This is the laundry room, and there's also connections for a bathroom. So you have a bathroom laundry room right there. You probably noticed there's a lot of this paper on the floor. And the reason that is because we got the floors added in, but we don't want to mess them up. So that's why we're walking on paper. In the bedrooms, we got the carpet in the bedrooms. It's really nice, brand new carpeting. And here in the bathroom, it's not very done, but this is a quick job. Bathtub with the tile, all of that good stuff. Got that hole covered and done. The roof fixed, all that. This isn't the primary bedroom, but it's one of the secondary bedrooms, but it connects to the bathroom of the master bedroom. And in this bathroom, there is just a shower, but it's a really nice shower, very high ceilings. It's gonna be really good once it's finished. I can't wait to show that to y'all. What?
Are you turning up the wall?
No. We're in the backyard now, and I'm really feeling a lot better about this because we got grass coming in, and I was afraid that the grass would not be coming in. A couple more patches there. We got some seeds down. It just hasn't rained here in so long, and there's no rain in the forecast, but I hope the grass starts to come up. We got a lot of coverage right now though, so that looks very good. So all in all, moving along nicely. I can't wait to show y'all the finished product. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that notifications bell icon so that way you don't miss that next video, because it's going to be the finished project. So I don't want you to miss it. Till next time, I'm Chase and J Miles, and I will see you soon.